Good morning, 9th standard. So today we are going to start with another important member of the institution, that is the president. It is on page number 89. So in this lecture we are going to study the power of president and the function of the president, how president is important. As in chapter number 3 we have earlier discussed that the president, in this chapter only we have studied that the president is not elected by the people directly, so he is indirectly elected by the people. It means the MPs and MLAs which we elect, he is elected from the MPs and MLAs. So the indirect election of the people appoints the president of our country. So the president is the head of the state, first point. The second is the elected members. Right now I have explained the elected members of parliament, that is MPs and MLAs, elect the president of our country. A candidate standing for president post has to get a majority of votes to win the election. Obviously, if the majority of votes is not given to the candidate which is there for the post of president, then he or she cannot be called as the president. And one more thing which we have studied in chapter 3, that was the president is not a member of the house. So this ensures that the president can be seen to represent the entire nation. He is there to represent the entire nation, as he or she is not from a party. लाइक जो भी प्रेसिडेंट होता है वो किसी भी पार्टी का नहीं होता है, बिकॉज आप देखेंगे जो प्रेसिडेंट का टाइम पीरियड होता है और जो दूसरे कैंडिडेट्स का टाइम पीरियड होता है ना, अगर वो वेल नोन है, अगर वो अपने काम के लिए जाना जाता है तो वापस से वो बन सकता है, ठीक है, मगर इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर द 5 years ओनली, नॉट मोर देन दैट. Now next, that he or she is a nominal executive. Okay, now if we talk about the power of the president, we can say that the government activities take place in the name of the president. All the activities, like it should have the signature of the president, because it will be approved by him only. Second power of president is that laws and major policies of decisions the government are issued in her name, in her or his name, like office memorandum. I told you that bill was passed, it was signed by the president only, then only that bill or that law or the money, any kind of thing will be passed only when the president will give the signature on it. Point number 3, major appointment are made in the name of the president. Appointment जो major important होते हैं वो कौन कौन से इम्पॉर्टेंट अपॉइंटमेंट्स करता है प्रेसिडेंट? चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, इट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन MCQs, फिलअप्स, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. मेजर अपॉइंटमेंट्स आर डन by the president only. The appointments are chief justice, judge of supreme court, high court of the states, the governor of the state, the election commissioner. I think this also we have studied in chapter number 3, that the chief election commissioner is elected by the president only. So all these major appointments are done by the president only. Fourth power, the international treaties and agreements are made in the name of the president only. Like the treaties which are signed, like it can be like the अभी राइट ना आप देख रहे हैं जो रिलेशंस बनाना होता है डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ की, उन सारी ट्रीटीज़ और एग्रीमेंट्स पे भी प्रेसिडेंट का सिग्नेचर इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं. सो दीज आर द बेसिक पावर्स, दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट पावर्स ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट. पहला था that governmental activities take place in the name of president. Second, major policy decision of the government is issued on the name of the president. Third, the important appointments is done by the president only. The appointments can be the chief justice, the judge of supreme court, high court, governor, election commissioners. And as the treaties and agreements, international treaties are also made in the name of the president itself. And the next point is the president exercise all the power only in the on the advice of the Council of Ministers. Now, yesterday's audio I have sent that Council of Ministers क्या होते हैं, बेसिक रैंक जिनको डिफरेंट मिनिस्ट्रीज दी जाती हैं, और कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्रीज क्या होती हैं, एक इनर रिंग होता है काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स का. सो प्रेसिडेंट क्या है, एक सारी जो पावर है वो क्या करता है, एक्सरसाइज करता है ऑन द एडवाइस ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स. एंड दिस पॉइंट वी हैव ऑलरेडी रेड दैट अ बिल पास बाय द पार्लियामेंट बिकम्स अ लॉ ओनली आफ्टर द प्रेसिडेंट गिव्स एसेंट टू इट. लाइक जब ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम पास हुआ था तो लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा के दोनों मेंबर को उसको एग्री करना था. अगर वो एग्री नहीं करते तो क्या होता है कि फिर वापस से लोग बैठ के उसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करते. फाइनल डिसीजन प्रेसिडेंट का ही होता. कभी कभार होता है कि एक बिल से लोकसभा दे आर हैप्पी टू दैट bill and Rajya Sabha is not happy, so president will not sign on that bill until and unless both the houses, the members of the both houses or the majority of the members will agree to that, only then it will be passed by the president. या फिर दोनों हाउस का एग्री होना ज़रूरी, या फिर मेजॉरिटी ऑफ मेंबर्स का उस बिल से पास होना, उस बिल को एग्री करना, उस बिल से एग्री होना, तभी वो प्रेसिडेंट उस बिल पे साइन करता. अदरवाइज बिना प्रेसिडेंट के साइन के वो बिल पास नहीं हो सकता. द प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट्स अ लीडर हु इज़ हर ओपिनियन कैन मस्टर मेजॉरिटी सपोर्ट इन द लोक सभा. आई टोल्ड यू दैट द मेजॉरिटी काउंट्स अ लॉट. If majority of the members in the Lok Sabha is there who supports, yes, that person should be the leader or that should be the president, then only he can be appointed. Like the members, how many members, how many MPs are there, how many MLAs are there, that matters. The majority of MPs and MLAs want that this person should be the president, then the majority wins. The president can ask the newly appointed prime minister to approve majority support in the Lok Sabha within a specific time. This also we have just read, studied, like when we were doing prime minister and the council of ministers, you know. So we have said that majority of जब majority of Lok Sabha के members चाहते हैं कि that prime minister should be in their support, then he has to agree to that. मैंने कहा कि एक majority of Lok Sabha members can remove the prime minister also. They have such powers. So these are the powers of the president. It is on page number 89 and 90. So I have underlined the points which you have to underline in the book. I think it is visible, na? This you have to underline. The upper area is that ki how the president elects, and the lower part 1 2 3 you can see these are the powers of the president.